Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot on a laptop or PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my laptop and first of all, I'm going to show my on-screen keyboard to show you the process. Okay, and if you want to take a screenshot, you need to press the Windows key with the print screen key. You can press it on your keyboard, and here I'm just going to demonstrate it to you. Press this Windows icon and the print screen keyboard at the same time. I'm going to press it on my keyboard guys, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to check the result in my file explorer. I'm gonna go to the pictures and then you can open up the screenshots folder. Okay, and this is the result, this one. I'm going to open it with my photos application, and this is the screenshot I have just taken. Oops, this one guys. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to take screenshot on laptop or PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.